Hello everyone, welcome to GEPL Capital. In this video, I'll guide you through the process of placing a sell order and a stop loss sell order on GEPL Pro Markets app. Selling orders are essential for exiting a position, securing profits or cutting losses. Here I'm taking SJVN, click on sell, type in the number of quantity you wish to sell. Since in my price type limit is selected, I can type my own price or I can choose the market option which will execute my order at the market rate. Then choose the product type and order validity based on your criteria and swipe to place the order. To place a stop loss sell order, click on SL which is displayed on the price type. A stop loss order helps you limit potential losses by automatically triggering a sell when the price reaches a predefined level. Here I'll enter my quantity and price I'll keep as 91.5 and trigger price as 92 and swipe to place my order.